We can't complain about this weather. This is pretty much perfect.
You would only get me stuff that's good, wouldn't you?
Oh, of course.
Well, that's not your refrigerator.
Yeah, that's not your refrigerator.
I don't care.
You just get to help yourself to whatever you want.
Yes. And I help myself to some grapefruit juice.
5% alcohol by volume.
Where?
She said it was 0.5.
0.5.
Where?
Yeah, I don't know where it says that. Might be under your thumb there.
Are you filming me?
No, of course not.
Yeah, right. Lie.
Why? What did they say about hunting? We never talked about hunting rabbits. Did we?
It's in one of
Yeah, about snaring them.
Oh shit! Yes. Okay.
That made it into one of her
God.
videos.
Just practicing with some of the
what?
angles to see.
Some of the angles.
Yeah, because someday I will want to do chatting with my camera. Like, hi.
Kind of like talking to your food. No.
Yeah, well, I get bored of the same old food all the time.
So now we have to have conversations with our food.
We just need it to be interesting.
So we're gonna go out and buy exotic food, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm so excited.
Well, we just have to start cooking something different. Oh.
You
Oh,
do?
listen to that wine.
Go on.
Here, did you want to take this?
What? Jeez.
What? I'm done with it.
David.
I'll take them and get you some water, honey, if you want me to.
You remember what I said about your Grandpa Dowd?
What?
He would say, "There's no salt and pepper on the table." And his mom would be getting up to get it. He'd say, "Oh, I'll get some. I'll get it." Always 2 steps behind the beat.
You know the stuff that they have that they just spray it on with, and it's all green. To me,
They paint the dirt green and wait in waiting for the grass to come up.
They paint the dirt green.
Yeah.
It's a paste.
Oh, okay. So they paste the dirt green.
Oh my god.
Does the paste have grass seed in it?
Yes.
It's a mixture of grass and fertilizer and whatever else.
If you'd have told me sooner, I could have gotten the astroturf from Costco.
That no.
Nope.
You can't put
It's got to be real.
Oh, that's right. It has to breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we could poke holes in the astroturf.
She went to that logic school too, didn't she?
She did, yeah. She took me there.
She took you there?
Yeah.
You both had classes together?
Yeah.
Okay.
How to drive Dave crazy. So do you have pieces of wood that I can get my other platforms in?
You know, I asked her when I put those in, do you want any more? No, that's plenty. I don't want any more. I don't need any more. It's okay. Well, all of a sudden now we need more.
Now that all your tools are put away and all your saws...
I don't need them today. But soon.
Well, no, what I'm going to do is every one of those little supports are going to get one.
Except the middle ones.
I don't give
I don't
a
want the
crap
middle
what you
ones.
say. It's going to get one.
I don't want the middle ones to have them, and I don't want those 2 front ones there to have them.
I don't care
I
what
just
you
want these corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just the corners.
Nope. They're all getting them.
They're all getting them, or none of them are
Or
getting them.
none of them.
You're wise, David.
Because you
And
know,
in that
within
one-
a couple of months, I'd be out here putting the rest of them in.
No,
And in
no,
that
because
one,
I got
too,
plants right there.
She said she doesn't want any in the front, but 2 weeks ago she was saying how she wanted them in the front.
I know.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
No, I was not.
She did.
You are so full
You
of
can't
it.
even lie good.
She is so full of
You
it.
can't even lie good.
I'm not lying.
You are
She's
too.
the one who's lying.
Look at the way she grins when she tries
I
to
only
lie.
forget important things. I don't forget stuff like that.
No, I didn't want them inside the bed. I wanted them where the armrests are.
What the hell you want them there for?
So I could put pots there.
Then nobody will ever sit on that bench.
That's why I changed my mind.
Then you put them on the
Why
inside.
would you put a pot on an armrest? So everybody's supposed to sit like this. The mind changing, it's quite often.
You're just figuring that out now?
No, I'm just letting your mom know.
Oh. Okay.
I know about that part.
She knows about that part. Yeah, you probably taught her.
Well, I don't change my mind. I
The
just
hell you don't.
make different decisions.
Changing your mind.
She
Some-
has an irrational answer for everything. doesn't she?
Sometimes
All the time.
not changing my mind. It's just advancing the project.
That's that's a good one. I like that. Advancing the project.
So speaking of advancing the project, do you have any of those O-ring things?
Any of the what?
The O-ring things.
What the hell are you talking about?
Remember you said I couldn't have nails sticking out here, but I could have little O-ring things that I could put a wire through? Remember?
I don't think I said O-rings. No,
What did you say?
I said little. I said little eyes.
Well, aren't those little O-rings?
Uh,
Don't they look like little
no,
O's? Like
O-ring is usually
the stick?
rough. Usually. Ooh. Now put that on camera. I want to see you to put that on. Now here, turn it around. Hey, catch this one. Now do that again.
Oh, with a stick. With the stick. Like that. But without these. If I can take these pieces. Like that.
You see what I got to deal with? Little things like this.
You know what I mean? Do you have any? Not in your pockets, you boob.
I'm out. Sorry. Don't got none. I mean, I need some shirt pockets.
What about in your like knick-knack box?
My knick-knack box?
Yeah, where you have
I don't have a knick-knack box.
where you have like spare screws and stuff.
That's not a
Between coughing and laughing, I'm having a terrible time.
I'm going to go to some other guy's shop. Say, where's your knick-knack box? See what he says to me after I pick myself up off the ground.
Well, what's it called then? Your miscellaneous junk pile?
That's it. A miscellaneous junk pile.
Okay, well, so do you have any O-ring
No.
things? No. Okay. Well, why didn't you just say so? You can retire and become the teacher, and I will be the worker. And you can teach me how to do things with tools.
That would be interesting. Now that would make for some great videos.
What do you call that?
That thingy up there?
The boot.
What thingy?
The shrub trimmer.
Oh, yeah. What do you call that?
Isn't it a shrub trimmer?
Well, yeah, now that I told you what it was, what'd you call it?
I don't know, the pointy tooth saw thing.
Well, that could be a lot of my saws. They all have pointy teeth on them.
Well, the one that's for the bush.
Okay, what about it?
The trimmer for the bush. You could show me how to use it. You could teach me.
Well, sure. I'm going to have the
I'm
ambulance
just
standing by.
picturing those bananas going up in smoke.
Well, what the hell's that got to do with anything? She's talking about trimming the... I mean, you guys are the same. She's talking about trimming a shrub, and your mom's over here worried about bananas burning.
I was remembering that scene in that video you were watching.
Michelle's
video.
from real life with Michelle and Rob.
Oh, that was funny.
You know what? She told me that they're moving to the island.
This island?
Yeah.
When?
Sometime in the fall.
This is the one that lives in Ohio?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And how are
Apparently they
gonna get
bought a farm just north of Nanaimo.
Oh, no, that's bullshit.
No, it isn't. Oh, well. Sorry, Michelle. He didn't fall for it.
Yeah, right.
She told me I should tell you that.
Subscribe.
Like.
What?
Like.
Like what?
Like the video.
Like the video?
Yeah.
How do you subscribe to like the video?
Subscribe and like with a thumbs up.
Okay.
Say that.
Subscribe and like. Thumbs up. No?
Thanks for watching.
I already said that.
Bye now.
Bye. Bye. Bye.